Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use creatine effectively. We will start by discussing the initial loading phase, which helps to quickly fill your muscle creatine stores. For this, you'll take 20 grams of creatine daily, typically divided into 4 separate 5-gram servings. This loading period usually lasts for about 5 to 7 days, setting the stage for optimal performance benefits. Once your loading phase is complete, you'll transition to a maintenance dose. This lower daily intake is crucial for keeping your muscle creatine levels consistently high. Most people find that 3 to 5 grams per day is perfectly sufficient. Remember, the most important aspect here is taking your creatine consistently every single day to reap the full, long-term benefits. Many wonder about the best time to take creatine around their workouts. While some studies suggest a slight edge for consuming it either 30 minutes before or immediately after exercise, especially with carbohydrates for better absorption, the overall consensus is clear. The most vital factor for creatine's effectiveness is simply consistent daily intake, rather than pinpoint timing. Finally, there are a few important considerations to keep in mind. Always ensure you stay well hydrated throughout the day, as creatine can increase water retention in muscles. It's also wise to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Creatine is generally considered safe for healthy individuals, but listening to your body and adjusting as needed is always best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.